Happy Sunday, everyone. I'm here at CVS and I'm going to show you the deals that I'm picking up this week. So the first deal that I'm going to do is on this spend 30 get 10. The first thing I'm going to grab is 4 of these Dawn power washes. They're on sale for $5.99. And then I'm going to go over here and grab one of these Downy scent beads for $6.99. These 4 products are going to total me $30.95. I'm going to use 2 of these buy one get one free coupons from last week's inserts. They will only take off $3.99 because that's the max value. I also have a digital $3.99 off 2 coupon that should glitch and come off. And then I have a $2 digital off the Downy. Assuming that all of my coupons come off properly, I'll be left to pay $16.98 out of pocket, getting back a $10 extra buck. Final cost $6.98 or $1.40 each. The next deal I'm going to pick up is on these Skintimate razors. It's not currently tagged in my store, but they're on sale for $6.99 this week, and when you spend $15, you're going to get a $5 extra buck. So I have a digital 4 off 1 coupon that will come off, and then I have 2 printable $4 off 1 coupons from the coupons.com website that I printed 2 weeks in a row because you're allowed 2 prints. 3 of these are going to total me $20.97 minus my $12 in coupons. I also have a 4 off 20 shave CRT that will come off. So after all those coupons, I'll pay $4.97, getting back a $5 extra buck, final cost free, and a 3-cent moneymaker. Here's everything I'm picking up this morning. After all of my coupons, this should all total me $21.95, getting back $15 in extra bucks, final cost $6.95. Okay, so I'm back home. Here was my complete haul for today. Here's my receipt. Now I did combine the Skintimate deal and the Spend 30 deal into one receipt. And I only had one hiccup, and that's that my $2 digital for the Downy did not come off. Instead of paying $21.95 out of pocket, I actually ended up paying $23.95. I rolled $15.21 in extra bucks, which left me to pay $8.74 out of pocket plus tax. And I did get back the $10 extra buck for the Spend 30 and the $5 extra buck for the Skintimate. If customer service does give me back the $2 in extra bucks for the Downy that didn't come off, that would make the final cost of this haul $6.95 for all of these items, or 86 cents a piece. That is an amazing deal. Don't forget to hit that thumbs up and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.